Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Before we start, I just want to say thanks. Thank you so much to those who are already part of my subscribers. And if you're new, if this is the first time you're popping into my channel, don't disappear. Just click on the subscription button, turn on the notification, and you will be notified when I have a new video. Now, I know you're wondering, what the hell is she doing? Well, we care about our skins. We pay a lot of money for it, and we will talk about that for another day. But this time, we are talking about home remedy for glowing, for acne treatment, for wrinkle treatment. Ladies, it's in your kitchen. This is banana and banana peels. As we know that we eat banana for potassium, for vitamin B6, it has vitamin C and the traces of vitamin A. Now, have you ever thought about using the peels, the banana peel? Well, give it a try. It's very, very, very good. Now, I'm going to use just a banana, inside of a banana, a peel, and of course, I use almond milk. You can use a whole milk if you want to, but I don't drink whole milk. I don't drink milk at all. So I only drink almond milk actually, which is really, really good. So what I'll do is you need to clean the banana because you're going to use the peel as well. So you need to clean the banana all together. Then it depends with the size of your face. So I'll not use the entire banana. I'll not use the full banana. I'll just cut half of it or literally quarter of it and put it in the blender jar. Just blend it and add a little bit of milk. Usually I put 3 to 4 spoons of almond milk. So this is the only size that I will use. And of course, I'll cut the bottom part. You don't need that. And just make it to pieces and put it into the blender jar. Okay, so you can, as I said, you can use a whole milk if you want to. You can add honey if you want to. But this today is all about banana peel, and milk. That's the only thing I'm going to talk about today. So I will add couple of spoons, the almond milk, couple of tablespoons. Again, depending on how much you want to make, you can have more than that. Okay. Coming to the reason why you definitely need this. I used to suffer from acne. Like I really had a problem with acne. And we're talking about the adult acne, which is always embarrassing. So when I started working with home remedy, everything changed. I stopped paying a lot of money. Now we're going to blend this into a paste until you feel, to your taste, if you feel like you need it too soft, you can blend it way too soft, which is better. So it smears on your face really easy. So yeah, we're gonna blend it. The rest of the banana, you can just eat it. So you make yourself from inside out and outside in. So both ways, okay? Once I blend the paste and make it into paste, it will be a bit thicker. As always, that's why I said it depends on how you want it. If you want it too loose, you can add more milk. If you want it too thick, you can add more banana or less milk, whichever way. But this is how the actual paste looks like. So I'll just have it in a bowl, and you will need a brush. Usually if you have a makeup brush, an old makeup brush, that will do for you. It will smear the paste really well. So yeah, that's exactly how it looks like. And that's gonna go to my tummy. That's gonna go to my tummy afterwards. So just get a old makeup brush, use it to smear the paste into your face. What I usually do is I will have layers. After every 5 minutes, it's dry, I'll put another layer. After every 5 minutes, I'll put another layer until it's like 30 minutes past. So you need to wait for 30 minutes max. That's the best time for it. So guys, I'll say try the mask. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. If you need us to do another DIY, let me know, okay? Love your neighbor. You know me about loving your enemy. I don't know. Just don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and thumbs up. Mwah.